Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today I'd like us to start off analysis with the GBPNZD. I will load it here. GBPNZD. We are going to use the indicator we have on our screen. This is the normal MACD. Its parameters are fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, and then MACD SMA is 9. Then we have applied it to the closure. So those are just the normal basic inputs that come by default for MACD. They're the ones we have used here. So on this chart, as you can see, we are having a very good downtrend from this point here. We have a very good downtrend, and they indicate that the price is possibly heading to the lower side. So we keep looking for sell positions as long as the price is held below the level 0. So this means that if you're on this chart on this given time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, we are downward. You're supposed to be looking for sell positions. If you check the 30 minutes time frame, you can still see that we started being short here. So you can see that we had a bullish uptrend, we had a bearish downtrend. We had the bullish from this point, we had the bearish from this point, which means that if you started a sell position here, you could have been in a very good downtrend, and you could have been in a good winning trade. So you keep looking for sell positions while the price is below, while the MACD is below the level 0, expecting the sellers to continue to push us downwards, at least up to around 2.05969. So we do expect some more sell positions up to this point, except if we have a change of MACD. That is, if the MACD crosses above 0, then that will be a sign that we may see a move to the upside. So that's my opinion on that chart. At the other chart I want us to look at is a GBPJPY. So I want us to look at GBPJPY. So you can also see that this has also been bearish. We had a very good downtrend from this point here. We started an uptrend here, we started a downtrend here. So you can see that we actually had a sell position show up earlier on GBPJPY. We had a very good downtrend. There was some minor retracements, but this did not indicate that the price is going to continue upward. So this was still sell positions. So you could have taken a sell there. You could also have waited for this retracement, then you pick a sell there, expecting the sellers to continue to push us down as the price is progressing. So this chart here is bearish. We actually are looking for a continuation to the lower side, at least up to this point here. So 187.949, which is this line here. So as it is now, while we have the MACD being below 0, we are looking for sell positions, expecting the sellers to continue to push us downwards, at least up to around 187.949. So that's my opinion on that chart. The other chart is EURGBP. EURGBP, so far it looks like the price is in an uptrend. You can see from this point here, we had a very good crossover to the upper side, and then on this level here, we had a crossover to the lower side. So this is a downtrend, but this downtrend did not continue as such. Instead, we had a bullish trend which is now dominating, but even that bullish trend is also showing signs of diminishing. So if we have a cross to the lower side, that is, if the price crosses below this 0 level, then that will be a sign that we may see a continuation much lower, at least up to this point, which is minus 0.000364. So that is if we have a cross, and if that happens, then that will be a sign that we may see a move to the lower side. So on this chart, there is not much happening trend-wise. We're not seeing a complete clear downtrend or an uptrend, because anytime the price crosses above, it also crosses below almost immediately. So there is no clear direction on this chart here on that given time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we actually have a consolidation. So here we have a very good resistance there. We have a very good resistance, and then we have a very good support level. there. So we have a resistance, we have a support. If the price moves up and touches the line we have at the top, then this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. So we're just waiting to see what happens. If the price moves up and touches this level, we are going to be looking for a sell position. So that's my opinion on that chart. The other chart which I'd like us to have a look at, I want us to look at NZDUSD. So with the NZDUSD so far, the price is heading upwards. The price is heading upwards. So we have a very good support level here. We have a resistance, there's a break above. We have a support, and we have a very good resistance level here. So as it is right now, we are looking for the possibility that the price may likely continue to the upside. We may see a bullish move upwards, at least up to somewhere along this resistance zone. So if you're on this chart while you're talking right now, you're supposed to be looking for buy positions, expecting the buyers to push us upwards, at least up to this zone here. So that's basically my opinion on this chart. The other chart is AUDUSD. This is downtrend despite the fact that we're having a very good uptrend currently. You can see that we had an uptrend from this point, and we had a downtrend from this point. So this downtrend has done nothing much. The price has not moved as high as we did expect it. The price has not moved bearish as we expected it. Instead, we can see that the MACD is showing signs of crossing above zero. So that would mean that if we have that cross above zero in here, if the price cross above zero, and at the same time the actual price cross above 0.66137, then that could be a clear sign that the buyers may push price upwards, at least up to this target 0.67239. Then the next target is this one, which is 0.68588. So if we have a break above this line, expect a continuation to the upper side towards the next level, which is this one. If this is broken, the next level is this one here. And if the price bounces off from this point, that's going to be a good place to look for a sell from, up to this target here. If that is broken, the next target is this one. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.